Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to limit ChatGPT from collecting and using your data. Start by hovering your mouse over your profile name in the lower corner of the screen. Click on your name to open the Settings menu. Once you're in Settings, select Data Controls. Here, there are a few settings to review. The first is Improve the model for everyone. This option allows ChatGPT to use your content to help train and improve its models, so disabling it prevents your data from being used in that way. Click on it and turn it off. Then move to the next setting called Remote Browser Data. This option allows ChatGPT, particularly in agent or browsing modes, to reuse cookies and remember site data between sessions. Click on it and turn this off as well. To clean up your history, you have options to delete all chats or manage archived chats. You can use these to remove stored conversations or archive threads if desired. Next, go to the left sidebar and click on Personalization. In this menu, scroll down to the Memory section. You'll see an option called Reference Saved Memories. This setting allows ChatGPT to save and use memories when responding, so disabling it prevents that. Turn this off. Right below it, you'll see another option called Reference Chat History. You should turn this off as well. By implementing these steps, you can significantly enhance your privacy and limit how your data is stored or used. Many industry professionals note that, compared to some foreign language models, ChatGPT is generally considered safe to use, especially when these data control measures are properly configured.